excited about telling you about my newest listing in Pine Mountain, Georgia. This property is located at 269 White Oak Road in the Longleaf subdivision in Callaway Gardens Resort. This resort is located about 60 miles south of Atlanta Airport. It's only located about 19 miles from LaGrange, Georgia. It's approximately 38 miles to the front gate of Fort Benning and probably about 25 miles to North Columbus, Georgia. So look at the description below and the current list price below and enjoy the video. This is the view of the two-car garage in front of the house with a covered breezeway, which most of the properties don't have. Brick home with stone. Front porch. Interior foyer, hardwood floors. Impressive 20-foot ceiling with cathedral beams. Stacked stone all the way to the ceiling on the fireplace. View of the family room, back view of the kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, plenty of cabinets. A large island with 4 chairs. Under counter lighting. Tile floor. 4 pendant lights. Master bath bedroom. Plenty of light coming in. View of the woods. Transit window over those doors. Another view. The master bathroom. Tile floor. Jacuzzi tub. Another view of the jacuzzi tub. Stand-up shower with his and hers vanities on either side. Property's in great shape. It's an Earthcraft home. It's got built in 2008. It's 11 years old. It's got blown-in insulation, which is great on the energy bills. View of bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3 is an office and exercise room. Guest bathroom number 2. Stand-up tub shower with tile. Back porch is all screened in. French doors going into the family room. Beadboard on the back porch for the grilling area. View of the house from the rear. Wooded lot, private lot. Callaway Gardens is a spectacular property and with lots of recreation. This is the drone view. The property is nestled in the Longleaf subdivision. It's the Edgewater-Two plan. There's biking, tennis, golf, zip line, sports events, the Masters water ski tournament, the spa, putt-putt, number of restaurants, plenty of shopping. Come see this property. Have your agent make an appointment. Callaway is especially pretty in the fall and the spring. Some of these property owners are full-time residents and others have a second home. Callaway Gardens is a special find. Come see us. Just minutes to I-185. Have your agent check the MLS for contact information and showing instructions. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.